Right folks, I'm going to show you how to remove a glued on wall mirror off jib. This one's 1.6 by 1 meters wide. Now this is going to be my second attempt ever. First attempt was about half an hour ago when I successfully pulled it off this wall, and I can see that in behind the mirror must have been 3 strips of builder's glue. So I know what I'm doing now, and I'm going to record this for you. And we're going to take this one off. Now I've got to admit, I was super nervous when I took that first thing off. I didn't know whether or not it was going to shatter or what. But I took my time, it took about half an hour, and we finally got it off. So I think there's some value there in showing you how to do that, and that's why I'm going to record this. And who knows, maybe DIY Dave NZ is going to come back to the show. So anyway, watch this space, and let's crack on. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a support board underneath this, so that if this was to fall off, then that's not going to come crashing down. And I will put this up now. Now I found this at an op shop. It's only like $3. Can I tell you, that's a really good thing to have, because you just can kind of hold it here. Right, so I'm just going to put you up on the wall now, and so you can see what's going on. Now I have purchased a whole lot of these wooden shimmies, so these kind of look like wedges from Mitre 10. Pack of 20 was $9, and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to use those to gently and with great patience take this mirror off the wall so that it comes out in one go. Hopefully comes out in one go. First of all, I'll mount this support stud using my new DeWalt it's like going through butter. Starting with one of these shimmies. Here we go. I just start them off. This is actually a bigger mirror than the other, so kind of glad that I started with that one first. Right, so it's 4 shimmies across the top, and then I'm just going to put another couple down the side. I'm going to slowly tap the top 4 down and just continue to do that. Here we go. I'm making sure I've got glasses on. I don't need earmuffs. I'm going to put my leather gloves on. The last thing I want is it to be shattering and I'm trying to grab it with my bare hands. Oh, I can hear it letting go already. It's kind of a good sign. Right, here we go. Can you hear that? That's a good sound. That's the glue letting go from the paper, or the paper letting go from the glue, one of the two. I'm going to save my shimmies, and I'm going to use a piece of shower liner. Just grab the shimmies before they fall down the back. So I've got the wall board now behind each of the shimmies just to give it a little bit more wedge. Then I'm going to have another round at these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start doubling up the shimmies. which allow me to pull out the singles. Doubling them up so that it's a nice bigger wedge. And pulling out the single. Oh, something just let go. Can you hear it? It's the glue behind just letting go. It gave me a bit of a fright. Can you imagine standing here in the mirror coming down on top of you? Can you hear that? Oh, it's quite satisfying sound. I'm on to 3 shimmies now. Just letting the glue let go of the wall. So what I'm going to do now is use a thicker piece of board. Do a double shimmy. Just going to test it to see if I can pull it off by hand. Just gentle. No. So the board in triple shimmies. Tell you what, I'm nervous. This is such a long mirror. Just letting the glue slowly tear away from the paper. Quite a bend on this mirror now, this glass. Alright, let's see if we can use this as a lever to pull it all off, eh? Okay, the left hand side's free. Just waiting for the right hand side to let go. Can you hear it? Here we go. Just doing it gently. Using the board as a lever. Alright, now she's gone. Right, and this is why it's important to have this board underneath, so that the weight of the mirror is now sitting on this board. And I've got to try to lift this off. Now it would make sense to try to get my hand up underneath this piece of glass, just in case this lets go. There you go. Success. Oh. So 1, 2, 3, Once again, 4 lines of, actually looks like they might have used silicone. Well, there you go, folks. That's how to remove, in this case, 1.6 by 1 meter glued wall mirror off a jib wall. So look, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this useful. I'm taking some time off hiking and camping. I just love teaching people stuff, and so that's why I'm thinking I'll do videos as I DIY. I've actually got 3 bathrooms to go up to my Instagram and see those short reels. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you're not doing so already, well, you know what to do. Don't forget to follow Outdoorsman Dave, gone indoors. Catch you on the next project now.